everybody, my name is Brady, and today I am going to be showing you an app I installed called My Alarm Clock. It's just an alarm clock, what is awesome. See, 5:30 my alarm. Sometimes it's 5 a.m. and you can set it. And then you can go to settings, clocks. You can have different styles on. And you can have this. I don't know that. I think it's like a timer thing for you, like how long you slept. Then you have like bunches, all your stuff. Clock type, white. No! I hate that. No! I said no. And yeah. I like it blue because it's my favorite color, and blue is awesome. And that is my alarm clock. Bye!